Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome back to another video. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete watch history on your YouTube app. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open the YouTube app on your phone. You will see an interface like this. Normally click on the bottom right corner's profile icon. And you have to click on the settings icon on the top right corner. And then you have to choose manage all history. And if you scroll down, you will see all of the history of your account. You can delete them one by one by pressing on this cross icon. Or if you want to delete them instantly by selecting a range or for all time, then you can choose one of these three options. So here I'm going to choose delete custom range. I'm choosing a before date, for example, 10/08/2025 and after 12/08/2025. I want to delete from this date to this and clicking on this next button, and that's it. I've successfully deleted them. On the other hand, if you want to delete all of the history, then you can choose this delete all time. I don't want to do that. You can also choose delete for today. If you choose it, it will delete all of the watch history up to date. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to delete all of the watch history of your YouTube account. So that's all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.